आज हामी सिभिल सब इन्जिनियर पदको नमुना प्रश्न लिएर आएका छौँ। प्रथम पत्रको वस्तुगत बहु-उत्तर 50x2 100 अङ्कको। प्रश्न नम्बर 1 रहेको छ, इङ्किङ पेन इज युज्ड फर ड्रइङ ... इन इङ्क भनेको छ। अप्सन ए म्याप, अप्सन बी कर्भ, अप्सन सी स्ट्रेट लाइन, अप्सन डी नोन। राइट एन्सर इज इङ्किङ स्ट्रेट लाइन। क्वेसन नम्बर 2, लोकस अफ सेन्टर अफ कर्वेचर इज नोन एज। अप्सन ए स्पेस, अप्सन बी इभोल्युट, अप्सन सी पोइन्ट, अप्सन डी सेन्टर। The right answer is evolute. Question number 3, which line type is thin and light? Option A construction line, option B visible line, option C center line, option D all of the above. The right answer is construction line. Question number 4, which of the following represents reducing scale? Reducing scale भनेको the scale in drawing is smaller than the actual scale of the field. So the right answer is 1:2. Question number 5, circle of small radii are drawn by means of option A straight line, option B lengthening bar, option C bow compass, option D both B and C. The right answer is bow compass. Question number 6, the type of pencil used to lettering guidelines is. For guidelines we use 2H pencil. Question number 7, for a split foundation of a brick wall of thickness T, is its width is taken as 2T plus 300. Question number 8, in long and short wall method of estimation, the length of long wall is the center to center distance between the walls and. Option A breadth of wall, option B half a breadth of wall on each side, option C 1/4 breadth of wall on each side, option D none of the above. The right answer is half breadth wall on each side. Question number 9, the excavation exceeding 1.5 meter in width and 10 square meter in plan area with a depth not exceeding 30 centimeter is termed as. Option A excavation, option B surface excavation, option C curing, option D surface dressing. The right answer is surface excavation. Question number 10, for ensuring quality of concrete use, option A single size aggregate, option B graded aggregate, option C 2 graded aggregate, option D coarse aggregate. The right answer is graded aggregate. Question number 11, while estimating the qualities of construction of the building, the correct metric unit is. Option A liter for capacity, option B kilogram for weight, option C cubic meter for area, option D meter for length. The right answer is option A liter for capacity. Question number 12, the detention period in a septic tank is. Option A 20 minutes, option B 25 minutes, option C 30 minutes, option D 40 minutes. The right answer is option C 30 minutes. Question number 13, grid lines are parallel to. Option A magnetic meridian, the center point of grid equator. Option B geographical line. Option C line represent the center true meridian of the grid. Option D all of the above. The right answer is option C line represent the center true meridian of the grid. Question number 14, a horizontal angle between true meridian and a survey line is known as. Option A altitude, option B azimuth, option C declination, option D bearing. The right answer is option B azimuth. Question number 15, type of error which are cumulative in nature can be corrected is called. Option A permissible error, option B systemic error, option C both of the above, option D none. The right answer is systemic error. Question number 16, baseline measured by. Option A chain, option B cloth tape, option C steel tape, option D all. The right answer is chain. Question number 17. In case of double line, river contours are option A stopped at the bank of the river, stopped at the edge of the river, option C drawn across the river, option D drawn by parabolic curves. The right answer is option B stopped at the edge of the river. Question number 18. Tilting leveling is used to option A precise leveling, option B fly leveling, option C profile leveling, option D both A and B. The right answer is precise leveling. Question number 19. Main characteristic of minerals is option A texture, option B fracture, option C color, option D structure. The right answer is option C color. Question number 20. Lacquer is option A distemper, option B oil paint, option C spirit varnish, option D none. The right answer is spirit varnish. Question number 21. The small areas on painted surface enclosed by hairline cracks are called option A crazing, option B crocodiling, option C chalking, option D blastering. The right answer is option A crazing. Question number 22. The material generally not used as extender in paints is option A powdered silica, option B gypsum, option C chalking, option D zinc white. The right answer is option D zinc white. Question number 23. Mastic asphalt is normally used for. Mastic asphalt is normally used for option A sound insulation, option B waterproofing, option C fireproofing, option D none of the above. The right answer is waterproofing. Question number 24. Tripoli is a type of igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, siliceous rock. The right answer is option B sedimentary rock. Question number 25. The strength of cement is reduced up to 3 months. Option A 0%, option B 30%, option C 40%, option D 50%. The right answer is option A 0%. Question number 26. Cement is a material. Option A adhesive, option B cohesive, option C both, option D none. The right answer is both. Question number 27. Unit weight of lightweight concrete is option A 12 kilonewton per meter cube, option B 24 kilonewton per meter cube, option C 25 kilonewton per meter cube, option D 20 kilonewton per meter cube. The right answer is option A 12 kilonewton per meter cube. Question number 28. A thin pourable suspension of slaked lime in water is known as option A lime water, option B lime paints, option C milk water, option D all of the above. The right answer is option C milk water. Question number 29. The rocks which are formed due to powering of magma at the Earth's surface are called option A plutonic rock, option B hypobasal rock, option C volcanic rock, option D igneous rock. The right answer is option C volcanic rock. Question number 30. A thin pourable suspension of slaked lime in water is known as option A lime water, option B lime paints, option C milk water, option D all of the above. The right answer is milk water. Question number 31. The cement widely used in retaining wall is option A rapid hardening cement, option B low heat cement, option C sulfate resisting cement, option D ordinary Portland cement. The right answer is option B low heat cement. Question number 32. In bar contains option A 12% nickel, option B 24% nickel, option C 30% nickel, option D 36% nickel. The right answer is option D 36% nickel. The top diameter, bottom diameter and height of the slump mold are option A 10 cm, 12 cm, 30 cm, option B 10 cm, 30 cm, 20 cm, option C 20 cm, 10 cm, 30 cm, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option D, none of the above. Because the top diameter is 10 centimeter, bottom diameter is 20 centimeter, and height is 30 centimeter. Question number 34. French police is made by dissolving the resin. Option A in oil paint, option B in spirit, option C in mud, option D in turpentine. The right answer is option B in spirit. Question number 35. A part of water which exists in the porous space of the soil by molecular attraction is known as option A capillary water, option B gravitational water, option C hygroscopic water, option D all of the above. The right answer is option A capillary water. Question number 36. For a proportional outlet and flexibility is option A 0, option B 1, option C is between 0 and 1, option D no more than 1. The right answer is option B 1. Question number 37. The maximum percentage of gradient in hill road is option A 4%, option B 5%, option C 6%, option D 7%. The right answer is option A 4%. Question number 38. Traffic density depends upon the of vehicle. Option A width, option B speed, option C length, option D height. The right answer is option C length. Question number 39. Failure of materials from top surface of the pavement by means of failure of binding materials is known as option A scarring, option B fritting, option C rebelling, option D picking. The right answer is option B fritting. Question number 40. Provision of wind guy gavel in suspension bridges is option A to take live load, option B to take dead load, option C to fix the walkway, option D to provide lateral stability. The right answer is option D to provide lateral stability. Question number 41. In two pipe system of pumping, number of vertical pipes are option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The right answer is option D 4. Question number 42. Turbidity of water is remedied by option A sedimentation, option B chlorination, option C filtration, option D all. The right answer is option C filtration. Question number 43. Permissible velocity of stone masonry canal. Option A 1, option B 1.5, 2 and 2.5. The right answer is 1 meter per second. Question number 44. For excavating utility trenches with precise control of depth, the excavation equipment is used. Option B shovel, option B drag line, option D none of the above. The right answer is option A hoe. Question number 45. Bearing capacity of moist clay ton per square meter is option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 25. The right answer is 15 ton per square meter. Question number 46. Projecting monitoring is related to option A quality, quantity, cost and time, option B impacts, option C outcomes, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 47. Shear strength of soil is unique function of option A effective stress only, option B total stress only, option C both A and B, option D none. The right answer is option A effective stress only. Question number 48. Consolidation of soil means expulsion of air, option B expulsion of water, option C expulsion of water and air, option D none. The right answer is option B expulsion of water. Question number 49. The relation between void ratio and porosity is option D eta by 1 minus eta. E is equals to eta by 1 minus eta. Question number 50. Last question for the day. What does OB stands for? Option A organizational business, option B organizational behavior, option C organizing behavior, option D organizing business. The right answer is option B organizational behavior. Thank you for watching.